Hello, this presentation will help you design your slides. There are three ways you can make your slides better: using pictures, using color, and using text. There is a saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words. By using pictures, people will understand your presentation easier. If you have one picture, make it as big as the slide, like this. The picture should become the slide. If you have more than one picture, make them as big as you can. Your slides should be mostly pictures. The second way to make your slides better is to use colors. If you have one big picture, use some color from the picture in the text, like this. This is called accent color. You can also use your presentation topic to choose your colors. This presentation is about Daruma. The main colors of Daruma are red, black, and white. So the colors of this presentation are also red, black, and white. The third way to make your slides better is text. Don't use many words on your slides. Each slide should have fewer than 20 words. The fewer the better. Some slides need 0 words. When you use text, make it easy to see. You can change the color of the background like this. The black background makes the white text easier to read. Or you can use a shadow behind the text so it will stand out like this. That's 3 ways to make your slides better. Try to use them when you make your presentation. That's all for now. Good job.